Igbos have so many fantastic cultures, so many, among which is the sharing of meat, or what we call Igbo or Igbo. It simply means, in a nutshell, the rights or sharing rights an individual has when it comes to the sharing of things like meat and other edibles. Normally, when a thing like this is being done, the sharing starts from the oldest. They take it gradually. It is a taboo in the Igbo society for somebody who is younger to pick a meat before the older person. That's what we call the titled men, or what the Igbos call the titled holders. If, on the other hand, there is a titled man, it is also believed, depending on the particular community in Igbo land, that that titled man is assumed to be an old man, in which case he can be given that preference of also picking the meat when it is not his turn, because he has already acquired that title, which is very, very revered. But he is not supposed to stand up to do that. Rather, he will be seated and the meat will be brought to his table or his chair where he is seated.